Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I will show you how to connect eToro to Base44. So this connection lets you pull your trading data into your Base44 app so that you can track your profits, build your dashboards, or create the automated tools without coding. So to connect eToro with Base44, you first need to open Base44 and create a new app, or you can also open an existing one. Now here, simply click on this drop down menu on the top, then go to the settings of your account. Over here in your settings, you just have to look for the option of integration. If you are able to find the option of integration, you just have to simply select the option of API or the external data source. Base44 lets you plug in the financial platforms through an API key or a webhook depending on what you want to build. Next, you need to go to the eToro account of yours. From there, you just have to go to the API section. If eToro provides you the API access in your region, you will see the option to generate an access token. You need to copy that token and return to Base44, paste it into the API field and set the request type to get so that Base44 can pull your account status, your portfolio data, and your trade history. After saving it, Base44 will let you map the data into the application. You can also display your open position. You can track live profit changes or build a performance dashboard by dragging the data blocks into your app's layout. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.